Various social problems still occur in Indonesia, ranging from poverty, street children, to greed, crime, ignorance, and much more. Social problems are closely related to the low quality of education in that country. If this link is not broken early on, various problems will thrive and become a threat to the nation. The National Development Planning Agency, or as known as Bappenas, released the data on the number of children dropping out of school in Indonesia in 2019 was around 4.3 million children. There are various factors that cause children to drop out of school. One of the biggest factors is poverty. Ironically, other children are not given enough attention. Those who are dropping out of school mostly chosen to continue their education in non-governmental organization in education, or as known as PKBM, with package care system. The reason for joining PKBM is because the education is 100% free and the time is more flexible so that they can learn while working, for example, as clown or busker. But of course, there are still many PKBM whose service are not optimal due to limited costs and facilities. There are still many PKBM that have not provided facilities in form of printed book as learning material. This is certainly an obstacle for students. Hereby, EXCELLEARN is here to help solve the problem description before. EXCELLEARN is an application made by me, Rega Saputra, and also my friends who's participated. We work as a team to provide useful application for children who drop out of school. We are from
28 Vocational High School,
majoring in
Social Care.
EXCELLEARN is an application with various learning features for student pursuing package, especially those ready to use its package for A-level. EXCELLEARN presents features that make users feel like at school. EXCELLEARN is an application that focuses on solving social problems. EXCELLEARN helps solve the problem by providing learning media for students who drop out of school, especially at the elementary level for free, so that this application can be used and is beneficial for every class of society. Another advantage is the design of the application is made as simple and minimalist as possible, so that the size of the application can also be surprised, considering that the user of this application are school dropouts, whose economic conditional are below average. EXCELLEARN is produced using laptop or computer, electricity, internet network, and cameras. The camera we use is school-owned Sony camera that we can borrow to make this application. This application is made from a web called Kodular. Kodular is a web for making applications simply and without inserting codes or free. In addition, the teacher at EXCELLEARN is my friend who volunteered to help by making learning videos on basis a common goal, which is to help out of school children. It can be concluded that the expenditure to make this application is as shown on the screen. This is the funds we spent in process of making the application for approximately 3 months. And if this application has been completely complete, then the cost of running this application is ₹0. In the EXCELLEARN application, the developer inserts Google Ads with reasonable frequency, so that the learning experience in the application is not disrupted. The developer enters 2 ads per day for each user. The developer review plan can be calculated as follows on the screen. Analyzing revenue from in-app advertising using the CPM or customer mile and the CPC or cost per click system. The average variation of the CPM price is $1 per 1,000 views, and the CPC is $0.25 per click. CPM. If one user sees 2 ads in one day, when the application has 500,000 active users, then in one day developer generates $500 per day, or 7.4 million rupiah per day. And the CPC. If one user click on ad once a week and the application has 2,000 users, the developer gets $500 or 7.3 million rupiah per week. Distribution of application can be done by counseling to the community-based educational institution or PKBM. So it hopes that information about the caveats and benefits provided by this application can spread through word of mouth. Besides that, I will also provide counseling to the 28 vocational high school students, especially social care measures about this application. This is so that when they enter the industrial world and face the same problem, lack of facilities and learning media, they can also take full advantage of this application.